Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how Trim Premium helps to reduce interest rates. Paying high interest rate on your credit cards or loans, Trim Premium can actually help you to negotiate lower interest rates, which saves you money every month. Here's how it works. First, open the Trim app and make sure that you're logged in as a premium user. From the main menu, just tap on Debt Help, or you can go to the Financial Coaching section. There, you're going to see options like interest rates, negotiations, or credit card help. Tap on that, and you're going to be asked to link the credit cards or accounts that you need help with. Trim's expert team will review your credit profile and account history to see exactly where negotiation is possible. They will then contact your lenders on your behalf to request a lower APR and sometimes even better payment terms. This process may take a few days, but you'll get notifications once the request has been submitted and again when a response is received. If the negotiation is successful, then your new lower rate will appear directly in your linked account, which of course saves you money on interest every single month. And don't worry, Trim only proceeds with your permission, and there's no impact to your credit scores for just trying. That's how Trim Premium can help you to take control of your debt and to reduce the cost of borrowing. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to cancel Trim Premium if you ever decide that it's not for you. So like and subscribe to stay in control of your finances. That's pretty much it for the video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.